What's up guys, I'm Dean, welcome to our video. You know, last year was Lopo 10 years anniversary. Yes, 10 years. But if we talk about what makes Lopo well known in sublimation industry, maybe you would say Galaxy Press. Yes, you're right, Galaxy Press did make Lopo unique. However, today we will not talk about the Galaxy Press. You know, Lopo's mission is lead the customers to be successful by developing high-quality heat press and unique sublimation blanks. So today we will talk about the most popular series of sublimation blanks, which was developed by Lopo and have been helped lots of customers boom their business. Our linen, you may not be surprised because sublimation linen is a very common product in nowadays sublimation industry. But there's a word saying that the hardest part is to make common things not uncommon. So before going to introduce our full series of linen, I would like to share what is not uncommon part for our linen fabric. So the first one is weight, 460 grams square meter. You know, it is important to keep a higher GSM, especially if you want to make it as a handbag or shopping bag. The heavier GSM is, the nicer products it would be. Second, color. It is very hard in textile industry to keep the colors away the same from different production lot, but we can keep it 95% the same color to ensure a stable quality delivery for all the products. Third, peeling. Our linen fabric was developed with unique raw material, which can keep the fabric for a longer time using before peeling. The last one is shrinkage. All the fabric we offer have been pre-treated with shrinkage, which is important to keep the products still be fitted after pressing. Okay, that is all. Hope you understand better about the features of our linen fabric. And now, let's go check the products that we have been mentioned. This jewel bag has been requested for our customers for quite a long time before we decided to develop. We were a little bit worried that it would not easy to print if customers don't have a heat press with an interchangeable lower platinum function. And the heat press with interchangeable lower platinum function will be expensive. However, when we get our GS803 press launched, we know it is the time. And now, this new series of products just get into the market. It is totally out of our expectation. So, if you are looking for any new products that for this coming peak season, I do recommend you to try this series of products. It has 2 colors, 2 different materials with 3 sizes, which can fit all customer requirements for price, function, and style. Where there's something new, there's something classic. Let me check our another 2 types of shopping bag which has been in the market for more than 5 years. And it is still be the second sellable product among all our linen products. It got 2 sizes. The smaller one is 36 by 39, which is perfect fit when we are hanging with your friends and shopping. The larger one is 48 by 38 centimeter, which is perfect for picnic and go to grocery store, etc. Linen pillowcase cover is the most sellable product among our linen series. It has been sold more than 500,000 pieces since the first beginning we launched this product into the market. And now almost all our dealers have having this product in stock. The most sellable size is 40 by 40 centimeter, but we can make any size of shapes for you. If you have any specific request, sample can be done within 48 hours upon your request. Pandemic made us have more time to stay at home and cook for ourselves, so the apron is getting more popular since the pandemic began and seems still keep spreading. We have 2 types of apron. First is linen apron with an adjustable strap. Second is a weight apron, which is very handy. They all are indispensable and design kit in your kitchen. When you wear an apron to get your dinner ready for your loved ones, then you must want to get something to decorate your table to be unique too. Then here we go, our linen placemat would be a perfect choice for you. Double side printable, 30 by 40 centimeter, which is the perfect size for both kids and adults. Easy to clean and vibrant printing result to show your personality. Besides the above products, We also have other types of linen products like linen Christmas sack, Christmas sock, drawstring bag, handbag, and moreover, we can make any products for you based on this fabric upon your request. To know more details, please go to our website at www.lopo-tash.com to download our catalog or contact our sales. They will lead you the best way or give you the best solution to lead you to be successful in your business. Okay, this is all for today and hope you understand better about the linen series products. This is Dean, who always tries my best to let you know better about Lopo and sublimation. If you enjoy our video, please subscribe up and drop a thumb up and leave the comments in the section below. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.